found on all social media, including Instagram. We are also now a full-service Traxxas exclusive dealer. Welcome back, D&D sports fans, and today we got another first delivery from Traxxas. I'm going to kind of skip the unboxing because a lot of you probably have already seen this. This is not quite a new product for Traxxas. Back in March or April, this Mercedes-Benz G500 was released to the United Kingdom in, I believe, blue and black. Now they're releasing it here in the US, and it is going to be red and blue. As you can see, the truck's sitting here in front of me. Here is the box. Let's take a look at that first. Bottom left corner there, you'll see where it says first delivery. So what this is this vehicle is not quite for sale yet. The way the first delivery program works is Traxxas stores will get the product in, have it on display for about 2 weeks, take some pre-orders on it, and then customers can come in, take a look at it, see if it's something they're interested in purchasing. So with the box, you also get the directions, and you also get a sticker sheet, which is for the fenders of the G500. So if you wanted to add a black detail of the fenders. All right, closer look at the box. You'll see the red stripe down the side. If you watch any of my other videos, the red stripe means battery and charger not included in this. So if you've ever looked at any of the other TRX4 boxes, this is all basically the same information, so I'm not going to sit here and bore you with that. The back just has a picture of the red one. The side will show you that it's either red or blue. This side of the box kind of shows you what's in there. So you got the TQI remote, you got the XL5 speed controller, which is 3S LiPo compatible. The 21-turn 550 Titan motor. Get some small tools, get your instruction manual. Also shows you what you're going to need to run this model, which is batteries, charger for the batteries, also some upgrade stuff if you want to do the Traxxas Link. All right, enough about the box. Let's take a look at the truck. All right off the bat, you'll see a few noticeable differences. The wheels are the first thing to stand out. Take a zoom in on there. Officially licensed Mercedes-Benz rims, it looks like. Got the Mercedes-Benz logo in the center. You got your Traxxas tires. The other thing that I noticed on this is the wipers and everything are not a sticker. Those are actual plastic wipers. You got some marker lights up top here. You got the headlights. The bumper is quite different on this, and we'll show you that when we take the top off the body. Got some running lights up here on top. Here's the back of the body. Again, got your molded tail lights with the plastic covers on them already. Very detailed, very scaled body. Actual plastic door handles there. So you can see where they have the headlights, all the supports along the side, the tail light brackets. Up on top here, you can see where they have the running lights. So this truck is pretty much set up ready to go for a light kit. Looks like you're just going to have to remove a couple screws right there, take off that cover, put in your light kit. Same way with those marker lights on the hood. The body removed, let's take a look at the chassis. It's your standard TRX4 chassis. The only thing they have different is the rock rails actually are like a chrome step rail. If you flip it over, you'll see that they actually have some bolt-on exhaust. Looks like it's bolted right there and right there. It is not attached to the rock slider. So if you wanted to add that to your scale vehicle, if you got a Jeep body or something like that, might look pretty cool sticking out the side of another body. The other thing is the front bumper is actually a steel plate here. It's not attached to the bumper, so that is going to be an alternate add-on part if you wanted to put that on your current TRX4. I'm sure those are going to be available from Traxxas. At the rear bumper, and if you with this G500 body, It actually, the body actually tucks in to the bumper on this one. So the only thing you got sticking out is where the trailer mounting would be. And there is a look at the back bumper. You'll see the bumper itself is hidden up underneath the body. The only thing you can see is the trailer hitch. And with the front bumper, you can see the bumper underneath there, but the body actually covers the bumper. So it goes right down to that steel plate that's mounted on there. Hope you enjoyed this quick overview of the Mercedes-Benz G500 TRX4 platform from Traxxas. If you want to get a closer look at this truck, stop in at your local hobby shop. They may have one on display. Check it out. If you're interested in buying, place a pre-order with them. That just helps them manage their initial orders from Traxxas, and it makes it easier for them to know how many that they should be ordering. And as always, guys, thanks for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, click that subscribe button, turn on the bell to get notified anytime we release new videos. And as always, guys, if you leave a comment on this video, you are going to be registered for that August 30th mystery RTR giveaway that we're doing. Thanks for watching. The headlight kits are available for the G500 body. The first one is 8898, which includes the headlights, taillights, roof lights, and distribution block, and it retails for $75. The second one is 8899, includes everything except for the power supply, and it retails for $55.